I have a question for you. Does the sound of people chewing with their mouth open, popping gum, smacking their lips, does that drive you crazy? Well, if it does, guess what? It does not mean that you're just impatient and irritable and entitled. What it may mean is that you have a condition, a certifiable condition known as misophonia. I discovered that I had it maybe 20 years ago. And up until that time, up until I was in my 50s, I had no name for it. I didn't think it was anything other than just a personality quirk on my part. And no matter how hard I tried to get comfortable with the sound of people smacking their food, I just couldn't do it. It used to drive me crazy. And of course, I beat myself up over that. I thought it was just all me. Boy, was I relieved to find out there actually is a name for this. So if you've been beating yourself up, wondering why you can't develop some patience and tolerance, that's the answer. So if you want to know more about misophonia, I suggest you go to a website. It's called soquiet.org, and it's dedicated to the research and education surrounding misophonia. It's interesting because if you go to YouTube, which I assume you're on now, you'll find that there's a ton of websites and channels dedicated to what they call ASMR, which essentially is the exact opposite. Some people are triggered by repetitious, soothing sounds that can cause them to tingle in their scalp and down their neck. It's a very relaxing sensation. But not everybody has that reaction. Some people just find it very relaxing, whereas other people can find some of these repetitious noises extremely annoying. So if you have checked out ASMR and find that the noises are not to your liking, you might want to look into misophonia. I'm not saying the two are connected. I don't know that, but there's a chance. So I'm going to do a series of ASMRs without the noises. They'll probably be more like quiet, guided meditations designed to help people use their imagination, take them back in time, maybe to a more peaceful place, recall lovely, peaceful settings that they had, events, and see if that can help you to relax. So please stay tuned. Remember, misophonia is a thing, and it is not a character defect. Talk to you later.